Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram page isn't available right now. When you try to open Instagram post or any kind of post on Instagram, and you try to open Instagram and you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close that page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are using data connection, then you have to simply turn off your data connection and you have to turn it on again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for airplane mode, which means you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to check whether your problem is solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply press and hold the app, and you have to simply go to app info, and after that, if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to offload the app. And if you are using Android, you have to simply first of all force stop the app, and after force stopping you have to simply go to storage and clear the cache. And after clearing the cache, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not, which means you have to simply search for Instagram and you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply wait for another update so that it can be solved for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.